Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic discount in comparing quantity. What is discount and what are their applications? Let us see. Discount. Before we start the discount, first of all we know that what is the mark price. Mark price means the labeled price. What the price it is labeled on an article, that is called marked price. And discount is what? Reduction money which is given on the marked price. Reduction money which is given on the marked price, that is called discount. Understood? Let us see from the example. Suppose mark price of an article is rupees 500 and it is available for rupees 450. That is, SP is given rupees 450. Then we can say that here the discount equal to MP minus SP. That means 500 minus 450. That means rupees 50 is the discount money. Understood? So this is called discount, reduction money which is given on the marked price. Now we find the formula for discount percent. Let us see. Discount percent equal to discount by MP into 100. Suppose we have to find the selling price. When the discount percentage is given, then we can use the formula 100 minus discount percent by 100 into MP. And if we have to find the MP when discount percent is given and SP is given, then MP equal to 100 by 100 minus discount percent into SP. So these are the formulas for finding discount percent, SP and MP. Let us understood by seeing some examples related to these formulas. Let us see. A table marked at rupees 1500 is available for rupees 1440. Then find the discount and the discount percent. This is the question. In this question we have to find the discount and discount percent. Let us see how we can solve it. So here MP of table is given rupees 1500 and SP of table equal to rupees 1440. It is given. As we know that discount equal to MP minus SP. Therefore 1500 minus 1440, that means rupees 60. This is the discount. And now discount percent equal to discount by MP into 100. That means discount is rupees 60 and MP is 1500. Then 1500 into 100. These two zero cancel and this is cancellation by 4. Then this is 4%. So discount percentage 4% and discount is rupees 60. Understood? So this type we solve the question when it is given the mark price and the selling price given. Understood? Let's see the one more questions. How we find the mark price when selling price is given and discount percentage is given. See the question. An Almirah is sold at rupees 4,500 after allowing a discount of 10%. Find the mark price. Here it is given the SP of Almirah and discount percentage also given, and we have to find marked price. So how we will find it? Let's see. As it is given, SP of Almirah, SP of an Almirah equal to given rupees 4,500. It is given, and discount percent it is given 10%. As I told you the formula to finding the MP when SP and discount percent it is given, then just use the formula MP of an Almirah equal to MP of an Almirah equal to 100 by 100 minus discount percent into SP. Okay, that means 100 minus 10% is given, the discount given, then 100 minus 10 into SP it is given 4,500. Now it is 100 by 90 into 4,500. That means 50 times. It means MP equal to 5,000. Understood? Therefore, MP of Almirah equal to rupees 5,000. Got it? Understood? So when the SP and discount percent it is given, we find the MP of the given article. See? Understood? In this way we find the value of the mark price and value of the mark price. Understood? In next topic we will discuss about VAT or sale tax. Thanks for watching.